Hey guys, Omarr here, and today is the S10 Plus release day. So I've got myself the S10 Plus. This is the Prism White. It is 128 gigabit model, and let's just get straight into it. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. Okay, so as soon as you take the top off, you've got obviously the S10. As they said, because there was problems with the fingerprint sensor behind the screen, they've actually put a factory fitted, if I just come closer here and you can see if I just focus, they've actually put a factory fitted screen protector on there, so you don't need to put a, I don't really use the phone with a screen protector, but this comes already fitted. There's a cutout for the camera there, but it's pretty much perfect. And obviously you've got a little pull tab, so you can take the screen protector or the back sort of protector off, and essentially this is it. Let's just focus back. Obviously you've got the 3 cameras, the flash sensor there, the fingerprint sensor on the side, 2 cameras on the front, the speakers, mic hole, USB Type-C, headphone jack is still ever present, but it is quite a good looking machine. Power button still on the right, and of course you've got the Bixby, dedicated Bixby button on the left, just below the volume rockers up and down there. You've got a small, can I focus up there? You've got a small little slit there for the speaker, so you can hear stuff. And obviously you don't have anything on the bottom because you've got the mic hole there. Another mic hole up the top, and then obviously you've got the SIM card tray on the top, just as normal. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. Let's put that to the side. So obviously you've got the fast charger. It's engraved with the fast charger. Normally it's written, like you can see, it's more in your face, but fast charger, which is normal. And then you've got the USB to USB-C, so this could be used for, you know, USB pen, or some sort of external hard drive you can use it for, or you could just connect it to like your computer, or if you've got the Samsung Buds, which I'll be claiming because I pre-ordered this, and you get the Samsung Buds free, you can obviously use this to connect to the buds and then transfer your music with that. Here you have probably the cable, yeah, data transfer cable / charging cable. If I can get this open. And with this cable, so you've got the normal standard USB, normal USB to USB-C, and then you've got this little thing here which will convert your. So you've also got the Akg Tuned earphones here as well. It's a bit fiddly getting these out, but I shall prevail sooner or later. Come on, let's go. There we go. So you've got these, they're pretty standard. They're the same sort of shape and size as the S9 ones, and probably the S8 ones as well. The difference is that I'm not sure actually. These are the S8 ones, or the S9 ones, the old ones rather, and it's basically the same thing. You've got like a braided cable, so you've got this sort of, if I just, yeah, you've got this braided cable, same as the old ones, and obviously it's the one with the mic because there's an inline mic here as well. And then they're basically the same shape and size and everything like that. You've got these tips, so you've got, I think these are the medium ones on here. So you've got the 2 small and 2 large here as well. And that's just about it, guys. This is the best bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.